Hello! Today we're going to be reading the book, Let's Go for a Drive. The author is Willems. And I have my friend Gerald here. He's going to help me read. Say hi to Gerald, because he doesn't talk a lot. Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. So he has a friend. His name is Piggy. Does he look like a pig? That sounds like fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Wait. If you are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? Ooh, that sounds like a good idea. First, we need a map. I have a map! Get the map! Is this a map? If you think this is a map, you put the answer in the comment section. We cannot go for a drive without a map. I have the map! Oh, he's so excited. He must be ready for their drive. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map. I'm excited for them, aren't you? Wait! It might be sunny while we drive. Sunny? What does that mean if it's sunny? We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses! Get those sunglasses! Let's see. Are these sunglasses? Tell me in the comments if these are sunglasses. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have sunglasses! I think Piggy is all set. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny sun, sunglasses. They're excited. Wait! It might rain while we drive. Rain. What do you think that means? We need umbrellas. I have umbrella. Get those umbrellas. Let's see. I have something here. Let's see if I can get this up. Oh, I think I have an umbrella. What color is my umbrella? Can you see it? Make a plan and stick to it is what I say. I have the umbrellas! I'm glad Piggy is prepared. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrella, umbrellas. Ooh, they look really happy, don't they? Wait! We have so much stuff to pack. We do have a lot of stuff, don't we? What do you think you need to pack your stuff? Oh, don't want to knock Gerald over. Let's see what it says. We need bags. I have bags. Get those bags! You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Ugh, I have the bags. Looks like Piggy is doing all the work, doesn't it? Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy, bag, bags. Those almost are called suitcases, aren't they? But wait! There will be a lot of driving on our drive. Lots of driving. We need a car. Do you think they planned for that? I said, we need a car. They're kind of looking here, aren't they? Thinking. Do you have a car, Piggy? No. I'm a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Would that be silly if you saw a pig driving a car? Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh, what do you think that's going to do to their plans? Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive. Except a car. Our plans are ruined. Do you think their plans are ruined? What are we going to do now? Gerald looks very upset. Does Piggy look upset? We could play pirate. That's an idea. Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arrgh! Look at the pirates. That was a very good book, wasn't it? Can you tell me what was your favorite part about the book? You can leave that in the comments. Bye for now.